So Higgsfield has access to all of the best AI image and video generation models all in one place. And Claude is the best AI for planning, strategizing, and understanding exactly what your business needs. But here's the problem. They've never been able to be directly connected until this week. And that's because Higgsfield just released their brand new MCP, which lets you generate insanely high quality AI images and videos from directly inside of the Claude chat. And a huge part of that is generating images for social media posts, images for your website, or even creating full-on video ads. So today, I'm going to show you how to build all of those from inside Claude using the brand new Higgsfield MCP. So the first step in actually integrating Higgsfield with Claude is to come to this URL, higgsfield.ai /MCP. And you want to come here to MCP and then Claude. You can see if you use Perplexity, OpenClaw, Hermes, or NemoClaw, you can integrate it there as well. But for this video, we're going to be using Claude, and that's generally how I'd recommend you use it anyways. This also integrates with Claude Code, and if you wanted to do that, you would just sort of point it to this URL and tell it to integrate it. But the steps to actually integrating it is you first want to come into Claude. You want to come over here to customize and then connectors. And you can see I already have it connected here, but I'll disconnect it so I can show you exactly how to set it up. So what you want to do next is come to add connector, add custom connector, and then give it a name. And so there's no reason to really name it anything other than Higgsfield. And so you would type that there, and then you want to come over and copy this link right here, this custom connector link, and then come over here and paste that there and click add. But actually it doesn't let me reconnect it, but that's what you would do. It would direct you to sign in just like it is right here. And then you would sign in with whatever Higgsfield account you have. Now, I do want to mention you do need a paid account for this to work. Higgsfield does not offer a free plan, but if you are doing any AI image generation or video generation, I highly recommend signing up for Higgsfield. It's a lot easier than using all the different APIs. Now, once you have signed in, you'll see it show up here with all your other connectors if you have any others set up. And inside of here, you can completely control what it has access to. So if I wanted to give it, read only or needs approval access to any of these, then you could do that yourself here. If you don't want it, automatically going up and using your credits, you want to make sure you hit allow before there. But I trust Claude. I'm going to let it go always allow on all of these. Now, it really is as easy as starting up a Claude chat next and then prompting it to generate an image. Now, the issue with this is you want to give it the right prompt so that you're not wasting all your credits inside of Higgsfield. So what I went and did for you was I created a Claude x Higgsfield prompt playbook. And you can find this by going to the link down below, signing up for my free community, AA Academy, Applied AI Academy. And you can find this resource here. If you just join, we'll accept you as fast as we can. Usually it's within a couple of minutes. Come here to YouTube resources, and it should be up at the top here. If you're watching this video a bit later, I've uploaded some videos since, you can just search the title of this video you are watching now, and it will pop up. You will find a link just like this one to this Claude and Higgsfield prompt playbook. So there's a couple of things I want to generate here in this video with you. One will be an actual product photo. Two, I want to generate some Instagram carousel shots. And then three, I want to generate some UGC style video ads. And so for the first one, let's do a studio shot, and you can just copy this prompt here. And you'll see there's a couple of things inside of here. So first, we tell it directly what model to use. Now, I've already sort of defaulted to certain models that are good for these certain tasks. But if you want to go inside of Higgsfield or even ask Claude for different options of models, you can. Next, we give the product name and style. Then we also give an aspect ratio, which is the exact size and dimensions of the photo. You can edit these. Now, the resolution and aspect ratio are not fully custom. Those are sort of predefined within Higgsfield. So you have a lot of options. You have all the common options. I believe resolution is usually just 1K, 2K, or 4K. I found no issues with 1K. It uses up less credits, so I'm going to go with that. And then in terms of the product, what I want it to be is I want you to go and research and create my own canned cold brew coffee brand to make an actual product photo out of. That's what I want it to be. And you can follow the image creation following the style. So go, come up with a name, do some research on good names and branding for this, and then come back to me. So obviously, this is just for sake of demonstration purposes. I'm telling it to go and do research. Ideally, whether you're doing this for your own brand or another company, they would actually obviously know what their product is and what they're looking for in the branding. And you might actually have some existing images of the product that I'd recommend including in the prompt there. However, because we are here, just creating a demo, I wanted to show sort of the power of Claude to go out, do some research, and come back with extra stuff to actually create this image. So we can see here, Claude actually did a bit of research, created our own, company tagline and name and everything, and then it sent this prompt into Higgsfield. So let's see what it generated. So this actually looks more like a wine or beer bottle, really a wine bottle, than like a canned cold brew. So I could come in here and continue to write messages, recreate, or even animate it if I wanted to turn it into a video. But I'm not going to do that here. Just know you can go back and forth to try and get it more correct. But overall, this image does look, pretty good. I might want to fix the lighting a bit. It is pretty crazy. The lighting looks like you can tell the picture was taken over from this side onto it. But moving on with this, I next want to create an Instagram carousel for this this new brand we created. I'm going to be a bit more specific. That is a canned coffee brand instead of whatever wine bottle thing is here. And so let's fill out this. So first we have the cover slide. So brand name will be Nocturne. Hook text, I'm going to tell it to just create its own hook. Come up with its own hook based on all the research you just did. And then colors, I'm going to tell it to use the colors you just created for the existing Nocturne brand. And then coming down here to the content slides, you can see it mentions we're using a different model for this because this model was sort of specific to product shots. And then in terms of the headline and brand, create your own headline. Use the same Nocturne brand. And then I just want to create one image here. So I'm just going to tell it one, but obviously you could create as many carousel images as you want. Then I'm going to add down here. Just know in the product image, it may look like a wine bottle. I want it to be a tall 12-ounce can of cold brew instead of an actual bottle. So just know for the following product images, I want to make that change. And so now that we have done all that, I'm going to let Claude go to work and I'll show you once it's done. Okay, so we can now see it generated the cover image as well as 5 carousel images. So 6 slides in total for Instagram. And let's see what it generated. So we have this title image. You can see it's an actual can now. Now, do I love the design of that can? No, obviously I would probably go back and forth more before I actually generate these carousels. But you can see the overall branding of this in terms of looking like, an Instagram image is pretty good. And then we have the rest of the slides. So slide 1, 12 hours, 0 shortcuts, talking about, some of the stuff, cold steeped in small batches. And then we have another slide that talks about how it has lower acidity than iced coffee, and there's no bitterness, no compromise. We can see it's a ton of caffeine, but clean fuel, 0 crash, and there's sort of branding and shining a light onto the can. And then we have this ethically sourced, thoughtfully made, another image. And then lastly, a call to action to crack one open tonight. Sounds more like a beer than a cold brew. I'm not sure I want to drink 200 milligrams of coffee at night, but you can see in that probably took just 2 minutes, maybe less. We have a full post. So you can imagine this is something that you used to have to hire an intern for, or if you had an agency running your ads and your social media, you'd have to have them do this. And now you can do it with a $15 a month subscription, all through Claude. So you even have to come up with these prompts yourself and go back and forth, because Claude will do it and it'll research the exact image you want it to do and what sort of marketing material you want inside there as well. And so now that we have generated an original sort of good product photo, we've generated a full Instagram carousel. Next, we want to generate oh, we forgot the CTA/final slide. Oops. I'll actually generate that now because I want to see what that comes up with. So I'll put this in here. I'll put nocturne. I want to say to come up with their own CTA. Come up with your own CTA. And now let's see what this generates. Now, while this is generating, I do want to mention I'm on the lowest tier of the Higgsfield subscription. That's because I don't have to generate a ton of images. But I will say each of these images takes up about 2 credits. On the lowest tier subscription, you get 200 credits a month. So you could generate 100 of these images for $15 a month using Higgsfield. But it just finished up the CTA slide. Obviously, if we had a logo, we'd want to put it there instead of just it saying logo. But you can see it has this CTA slide, follows the exact same branding. It puts the website there and everything. So now that we've done all of that, we generated the full Instagram carousel. Now we can come and create a UGC style video ad. Now, you can create a ton of different ads inside of Higgsfield. That's a whole sort of product offering they have. And so this can go a lot farther than just UGC style ads. But I will start with a talking head ad. And let's see what we get here. So let's say, our product, once again, is a nocturne. And then for the script direction, I'm going to say it can go in whatever direction it likes. Create the script yourself, whatever you think will convert best. And then for duration, I only want this to be, let's say, 10 seconds. And hopefully I have enough credits for this. I should. And you definitely want to generate some audio. And then the aspect ratio 9:16 is sort of like the TikTok, Instagram aspect ratio. And so all of that looks good to me. So I'm going to send this off. If you did have, a specific ICP, you could describe that in here so that, the person actually doing the UGC would fit, the people you're trying to advertise to. But this one might take a bit longer. So let's see how this ends up. Okay, so it just did something interesting where it prompted me and I could actually see all these different UGC actors it has. So it chose one for me. It chose Nia, who I'm not sure I see them here. Oh, right there is Nia. But it looks like had I wanted to intervene and use a different actor or asked it to let me choose, it would have let me, which is pretty cool that this pops up directly inside of the Claude chat. And so my account did run out of credits. So I'll go, I'll figure out something else, something that uses a bit less credits, and we can figure that out. So something interesting it just did here was I asked if there's a different generator we could use to work within my amount of credits. It actually was able to check my account balance of credits, explore the different models that it has access to, and look at its past transactions to see how much it cost. And I only have 22 credits left, so I was able to come up with a couple of recommendations for me. And so let's say I want to try this one, and let's see how this comes out. Okay, so it just got done generating, and here's the video. Now, the audio seems to not be working for some reason. I haven't downloaded it, and I cannot hear it here either. And I'm not sure why that is, but it seems like there is audio on it, and we include audio in the toggle when generating it. You can see here. And so I'm not sure what that issue is. If you are actually generating ads, I recommend coming to their actual marketing studio, where this is purpose built for UGC ads, TV ads, hypermotion, which I think looks really cool. And you can prompt Claude to actually use these. I'm actually pretty sure. Yeah, we wanted to do the marketing studio video originally, but this does cost significantly more credits. This is 40 credits for a UGC. Seems like 40 is the baseline for any of these videos. But when you think of the cost of actually hiring someone to do this, it would cost significantly more. And if you want to come and see some of these specific prompts, then you can click recreate. Or I don't know if that shows you the prompt, but that does put the product inside there. You could create some of these. So if you want to check out some of these, the hypermotion one, we can look at it. It has some background music, the UGC.
Arrived and wait. Okay, so this just arrived and I am obsessed with the color.
You can see those look very good. But I did want to show you how it's nice that Claude allows you to go back and forth with Higgsfield and actually interact with it and figure out, how many credits you have left, what models are the best, because that's really what AI is about, right? If it was just about generating the videos, it really wasn't that difficult to come over and put a prompt into Higgsfield, generate from Claude, and go over to a new tab. And so it's nice to not have to switch tabs. But a lot of AI is about, getting the full picture, getting a bunch of context, such as your balance, what models are available, what each of them do, and being able to synthesize that and give you recommendations and let you decide from there. And so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to join my community, get that entire prompt playbook I handed you guys, and please share in there everything you generate with Higgsfield. I'd love to see it. So I'll see you in the next video.